Hello, David here, and the project for today is removing some rust on these wire cutters. Found these in my backyard. I don't know if it's supposed to open up any more than it does. I think the space in between here is supposed to open up some more. And I don't have any of that fancy rust removal chemicals, or I don't have the electrolysis set up. So I think what I'm going to try is, I've always heard that you can use vinegar to remove rust. So let me soak it overnight in some vinegar and see what happens. Yeah, put it in a safe place and let it sit. So it's been 24 hours in the vinegar. Yeah, the vinegar ate all the rust away. I'm surprised. Never tried this before. Is it as good or better than the commercial rust-eating compounds? Yeah, I don't know. It's a little tricky getting it open all the way. Thought I was going to have to put this on the wire wheel, but I don't think so. Spray some WD-40 on it. Yeah, the action's much smoother now. It's easier to open and close. See how it cuts wire. Works great. Well, thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.